Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's workshop. Now welcome to part number 27 of the Shelby GT500 Ford Mustang from the year 1967 by the wonderful folks over at DeAgostini, peeps. Now, if you'd like to grab this 1/6 scale, 1/6, click this link all the way along there. Pop. Head over to DeAgostini's website and take out a subscription to this beautiful, beautiful model. You will not be disappointed, folks. In this week's magazine, pickups, practical and popular. Although pickups originated in Australia, where they're known as utes, short for utility vehicles, these light trucks with open low platforms become particularly popular in the United States, where they become the nation's top-selling vehicles. It says here's a replica of an original Ford Ute next to a modern Ford Ranger pickup for a four-door cab. When I was stateside, the amount of pickups I saw was phenomenal. Pretty much everyone's got them out there. And they are spectacular, the size of these pickup trucks. Wow, phenomenal. Couldn't imagine them on the British roads. There's the agricultural origins. There's the Australian concept of the ute. It was a great success in the United States, where this type of vehicle is known as the pickup truck. There's the Ford F-150, introduced in the early 70s to become the top-selling pickups in Ford's F-Series range. Yes, folks. Today's pickups are large, tough vehicles, often more than 5 metres, 16.5 feet long, and their powerful engines enable them to tow large trailers with ease. They are massive. There's a big racing series for them as well. Today's part, we've got the rear of the chassis, folks, that we'll be having a quick gander over. Included in this delivery is rear part of the chassis, which will be used at a later stage. In the meantime, stored apart in a safe place. Basically, open it up, have a look at it, and then put it away again. But we'll have a look at it anyway. Why not? We're here. Shows you where it's going to go on your Mustang. The chassis is an all-metal and very strong structure, which is divided into several sections and supports and contains different components of the car, such as the engine, suspension, exhaust, steering, and even the bodywork. It's a fundamental of the Mustang Shelby GT500, which also provides strength and stability. So there you go. This is showing you where on your Mustang it's going to go. Now, bear in mind, look how small that looks on the model. Okay? Remember that. Ford Cougar, a global coupe. The Cougar had a bold design with many curved lines, especially at the front where they define the grille, headlamps and bumper. There's the interior of the Mercury Cougar, showing its automatic transmission. It was a very short life. It was from 98 to 2002 that it was launched. So yeah, didn't stay around too long. I think they was over in the UK, I can't remember. But yeah, there you go. The Cougar's side view maintained a curvy aesthetic, highlighting its doors, a characteristic convexity. Yes, folks. There's the rear end. It stood out for its huge trunk lid opening onto an equally large trunk, especially for its large light cluster even. And there you go. There's a engineer's diagram of one there, showing the cutaway section of all the components inside. And that's the magazine done. So we're going to have a little quick shufty at what we've got this month, folks. Okay? Which is going to be this rear chassis. Now, it comes beautifully packaged, I must admit, in its box there. And that is what we've got this month. Now, if you remember that picture I showed you on how small it looked on the model, look at how big it is, folks. It is absolutely massive. And I'm looking at my bench thinking, how am I going to get this model on there to finish it? We'll cross that bridge when it comes. But as you can see, this is die cast, and it is absolutely beautifully machined. It really is. Nice coat of paint on there, folks. But already I'm beginning to sit here and look at the scale. You know, you've got probably another 2/3 at least of this size to go across. Let's compare how small it looks on the car. There you go. There's the image of how small that looks on the car. And we got all of this to go in front of it. Yeah. Yeah, that's, yeah. Yeah. So how much of this Mustang are you not going to get on your bench, Cole? Answers on a postcard, folks. But that's what you've got. That's what we're going to be adding parts to in the next couple of issues, folks, okay? So keep it safe. Don't forget, remember, if you want to grab this for yourself, head over to this link and click on the link there and go to DeAgostini's website. All the way along there. Take out a subscription for this 1/6 scale model. You won't be disappointed. Also, click the festa in the corner there and subscribe to me channel. It really does help me out, folks. And until the next issue, where we'll be adding some parts onto this, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.